Hello guys, I'm Bảo from EBG team. So today I will show you how to install the EBG brake kit on your e-bike. Also, you need to remove your battery of your bike and get ready for your wheel with the brake disc right here. First, you need to be remove brake master cylinder right here with your brake system, and you need to be careful with everything. Use the impact to open it with the 12 millimeter. Take aside for this. Need to be have the plastic bag or the warp like me, warping it, sealing it. I don't want to any brake fluid coming out from the brake system. After you cover your brake line, I will install the brake caliper on the bike and leave the brake line anyway. At the wheel right here, you need to be careful with the spacer right here. Coming in fine like this. Put it on your bike. Remember your chain also. Get the chain on. After that, I will go in with the ace. Coming in hot. After you install the wheel, check around. After that, we going back with the brake light. You need to be going through your bike and coming up the handle. Steady that with the original frame right here on the pole. After you install your brake line, go through by side with the swing arm, go up to your shock absorber and go under the plate of the battery. You will be careful to to open the plastic bag or the plastic wrap right here, because you can see they will have brake fluid going out of the system. After all, we will install the brake master cylinder back to the system. The bowl with the wazer, with the brake line, and go in it. After done that, you will be installing the brake master cylinder going on your bike. So you can adjust the way the brake line like this, open a little bit. And you can see right here, just a little push, easy to install. So good luck, and we done.